And for the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, I will move the animals and all the toys here. So let's start from the sheep. Let's take the sheep. And put the sheep here. And then next is horse. Let's take the horse. And put the horse here. Okay, what do you think about the knights? Alright, the next is Colby.
즐거운 곳에 사는
Look at this Colby. So let's put this Colby here. And then next is Goose. Let's take the goose. And I'll put the goose here, in front of the truck. And then next is Super Builder. Let's take the Super Builder. And put the Super Builder here. And then what's the next? Next is mountain goat. Let's take this mountain goat. And put this mountain goat here, beside of sheep. Okay, and then next is panda. Let's take this panda. And put the panda here, near of mountain goat. And next is white horse. Let's take this white horse. And put the white horse here. Okay, now is an elephant. Let's take this elephant. And put the elephant here, near of the plane. And let's see, there is a sheep. Let's take the sheep. And I will put the sheep here, near of the truck and the little sheep. Now I will take the Power Rangers. Let's take these Power Rangers. And I will put these Power Rangers here. Now is Spinosaurus. Let's take the Spinosaurus. And I will put this Spinosaurus here, near of Scooby. And then there is a horse. I will take the horse. And put the horse here. Oops, let's help the Spinosaurus. Okay, and then look at that. There is a Poli. Let's see the Poli.
Please help me, please.
Calm down, Spooky. I'm on my way. The passage is too steep and narrow for all of us to go down. It would be too dangerous.
And put the Poli here, in front of Spinosaurus. And next is Lion King. Let's take the Lion King. And I will put the Lion King behind the super wilder. Okay, and the last one is the super wilder. Let's take and put the super builder beside of panda. Wow, all the animals and all the toys was here. So, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And goodbye!